been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night. I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while.
It's so bright, I can't even see. Good morning.
Good morning.
So beautiful to wake up here. We're about to go get on a little boat right now. We gotta go. Where are we going right now to get the bus tickets?
Breakfast.
Oh.
Definitely not doing a bus now. I almost want to just hop on a scooter.
There's all these little scooters that everyone's riding, and I want one out to show you guys when we pass one. Look at our balcony up there. Did you see it?
Why am I tired right now?
I don't know, but you was knocked out last night.
You was knocked out.
I was up watching a movie.
Just because you was up watching a movie don't mean you weren't knocked out. Because when you finally went to sleep, anybody could have walked in. Chickens could have been dancing in our room to music and you wouldn't have heard.
Boy. We were trying to walk down. No, we were taking a taxi down to the Amalfi to catch our bus. But you can see there's all this traffic, like literally standstill traffic. So, my bad, babe. We got out of the taxi and we were walking down. Got about a 20-minute walk. And one thing you should definitely know about Amalfi, Ravello, Ostano, all of these places is, one, there is a lot of walking and it's all uphill or downhill. Tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night. I said let me stay a while. 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 I said let me stay a Thank you for waiting. Yeah. We fell in love.
You enjoyed the Pasidao?
Amalfi. This is so beautiful. Oh, I see.
The Gemma is right here.
So cute.
Right there. Okay, cool. That's the back. What y'all up to?
What do you want to do? Do you want to eat? Okay, we're
You
embracing.
look beautiful.
Thank you. Hi.
Anna.
New friend. Jasmine's new friend.
Let's do selfie mode.
But this camera's cool.
Thank you. My new friend Anna.
Hi guys.
We met on the most amazing boat. I'm so glad I met her. She inspires me to continue my travel life.
Come to Asia. Come to Asia.
Come to Asia.
Yes.
Come to Vietnam. And Yong.
Young. Asian don't raise him.
I actually love that saying. Asian don't raisin.
And look at the town. It's beautiful.
Let's get that. A lot of traffic because everybody wants to be here.
I think it's cuter here than Amalfi. I mean, the Positivo.
You think so? I haven't walked through here yet. It is. Everybody's on these little motorcycles / mopeds.
Anna, they have really great pizzarella up here.
Rude.
Pizza? Oh, I don't want pizza.
We're back in Ravello. Finally, it was a legit struggle getting back here.
I had a ball. I had a good time.
The boat ride was, oh my goodness, legit
Well
the
worth the
best thing
coins.
I did. I am actually going to link,
You have to.
I'm gonna link
Yes.
our guys' boat information in the description, because if anyone's going there, please do that. Like, we went and viewed Mahorhe, basically a lot of places.
Yeah.
That I don't know how to pronounce.
Miura, Positano.
Positano was
What was right after
our
the
favorite.
Amalfi?
We got to stop there and have
Went to that
lunch.
cave.
We went into Pandora's cave, but we stopped in Positano and we got lunch and like this
Yeah, that was the favorite.
Positano.
place. Yeah.
We stopped there and got lunch and it was so good. I got the spaghetti with the zucchini sauce and
I had a grilled swordfish and that shit was fire. Like,
yeah, I never would have thought zucchini sauce was that good, but it is. Is this a start here?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. But it was legit so good. And I love the people who were on the boat with us. Like, it was just inspiring because they've done so much more traveling than us, and I feel like nobody gets how much me and Jeff travel where I can relate. And so it was just so nice to be able to talk to them. And we're supposed to actually be going back to Amalfi to go out with them and to go to dinner, but we legit have to hurry up because it's like 6:30 right now. We have to catch the last bus at 8 back to Amalfi to meet up with them. So we'll see if that works. Who knew that I could get ready so fast?
Hey, that's records time. For real, for real. Never seen it done before.
Top from Positano. Cute.
I think I had my hands on it before you did.
No, you didn't.
Cause she was showing you the white dress and then
No, and then she picked it up. She's like, this is the dress. This is the top.
But it was just laying down in her bag, and I'm just like,
No.
yeah.
No.
Okay, then.
You just always want to say something.
I don't really take credit for what you got going on. Anyway, my baby looks so beautiful.
Thank you.
She's so gorgeous.
Hold it.
Guess now I'm holding it.
You're always making me hold it. Making me videotape him.
I just didn't know.
You don't ever videotape me.
I just didn't know I was supposed to be here. Good times today. Good vibes. Now we about
On the
to
sidewalk.
go back to the Amalfi, have dinner, and drinks with our new friends. Shout out to them. They
Lauren
are,
and Anna.
yep, and the homie Andrew from Brooklyn, New York. Brooklyn. And then the other two are from Vietnam. Definitely some wanderlust individuals. They've been everywhere. Like, conquered so many continents, countries, cities. It's ridiculous. So many stories to tell that I'm hoping to be able to create a story for myself very, very soon. How about you, baby?
Same. None of my fire ever went out, but lightened my fire even more for traveling, to just go different places and experience different things.
Yup, and I'm just gonna put it out there. Jazz says she flying the whole family out. So Wilson gang, Pack gang, I know the Packs and Indy, y'all coming out. She flying y'all out. She said y'all gotta see this next. So if you watching this, text her. Like, when you gonna send me my itinerary? Cause she got you. She got you.
Alright, chill out now.
Nah, for real, this is perfect for everybody. Any
My
family.
mom's 50th birthday, we coming out. And we staying in Poisano that time. Or the Amalfi.
Or the Amalfi.
Ravello is beautiful. Show them the sea. Yeah, I'm tired. Tired, y'all. Made it to Amalfi. Had dinner. Trying to find our friend Anna Young's Airbnb. But everywhere, sorry about these cars passing, but everywhere in the Amalfi Coast is a walk and some stairs. Like, when you come here, don't feel bad about nothing that you eat, because you gonna burn that off.